I've never been able to sleep on hammocks. In fact, I don't think anyone can sleep on hammocks except for pensioners blitzed on rum and 17th century sailors. At least that's what I thought until recently. And now that I'm a big time hammock guy, there's something I've always wanted to do. And something I've always wanted to do is camp over moving water and fish from my camping platform. So that's just what we're gonna do. As if... What's that? Do you see that? What is that? Oh, it's just a Lego set. Apologies for the deception. I just didn't really know how to work in that I'm gonna try to also build a Lego figure while I'm on my hammock. It's a lot of hammock talk. That's the sort of thing I don't think you should do after you're 30. Could have broken my leg there. How good a spot would that be? Maybe on the other side of that island or somewhere on that island? I don't really see how you'd get over there. I already crossed. It was too good a spot. Here's some footage of me crossing the log. And crossing back to get my camera. Let's set up camp. Now I do think this side is obviously going to be better fish production, but it's too wide. I can't string a hammock that far. But this side has perhaps lower odds of catching a fish, although not none. There should be some down there. And I can definitely fit a hammock over here. Sorry you're so close before. I think that's what we'll do. Hope that edits together to add some tension. Tension. Get it? Tension. In reality, it took ages. Hard to do things over a creek. I'm pretty hungry, but I'm just gonna fish a little off the hammock, you know, for a thumbnail and just to see what happens for fun. There's some pools that I think I'll just let like a nymph float down. Not much on that first fish. Let's throw the rain cover on because I'm pretty confident it's gonna rain tonight. And cook dinner. I'm glad I started putting the rain fly on because there's thunder and heavy drops of rain about to come in. I guess we'll start doing the Legos. Even though that's not Max's helmet, we'll pretend that's Max. I guess it kind of looks like Sebastian Vettel. I'm not doing that stop motion thing anymore. It's too hard. It's too hard. It gives me a real respect for the YouTubers that do it. I hope it looked okay. I bet it looked like it was my first time doing it. That was a pretty long rant, wasn't it? I hope I speed that up. Seems like the rain's eased up a little bit. Let's get out and make dinner. And we'll make our pretty easy little dinner. Another jet boil one. This time, kind of a take on chicken pot pie. Splash of water. That's too much. This is cream of chicken. Kind of a gross glob of that. A pretty good shake of gravy mix. And then this is like, you know, chicken. Then just mix that together with some heat, and it really comes together quite a lot, like chicken pot pie. You throw in some veggies if you got them and if you're fancy. You got like a nice chicken soup, chicken pot pie filling. That's really good, but really hot. And you throw a quarter sleeve of Ritz crackers for the topping. A little bit of a crumble. It gives it like a puff pastry. That was pretty good. Let's wash up and we'll hang the food. All right, I think we'll jump in and relax. Oh, that's done. Let's finish our Lego and hit the hay, huh? We'll park our Max Verstappen in here. Maybe we'll finish that on our next camping trip. Oh. Good night. Good morning. Slept okay. It was pretty loud. Didn't really rain anymore, which is good because some of my stuff shifted around. Let's get packed up. All in all, pretty good. I don't know if that might have cured me of my idea for camping over a creek. I was warm, but it was loud, and everything's a little wet. Stuff's not going to be ideal, and you just got to hang in there. Sorry. My shoes are still wet, so I'm just going to use them as water shoes. I think we'll pack up the shelter first, and then go see about some coffee and wet a line. Let's get off our little island and make some coffee on shore. I wish we got more fishing in yesterday. That rain kind of put the kibosh on us. Let's have our coffee and I think we'll have to head down. That was pretty fun. I don't know, feels like it's something an Ewok would do, sleeping over a creek. If you enjoyed that one, please subscribe. Pray for you and pray for me. Remember, I got new videos coming out every Saturday at 9:05 Mountain Time. As always, thanks for watching.